Hey everyone, I'm Praveen and welcome to AI Sparks, where artificial intelligence meets innovation and excitement. On this channel, we spark curiosity and ignite imagination with AI-powered insights, tutorials, and explorations. From machine learning to robotics, we'll dive into the future. Today, imagine opening a massive Excel workbook, millions of cells, hidden relationships, charts, images, and asking an AI to actually reason through it, not just summarize it. Most systems today fail here. They either compress spreadsheets, losing detail, or retrieve data once and hope it's enough. But real analysts don't work like that. They iterate. They explore, refine, cross-check. This paper, Beyond Rows to Reasoning by Anmol Gulati and Sahil Sen, tackles exactly that. So, what's the core idea? Instead of one-shot retrieval, they introduce an agentic loop. Think of it like a detective: search, inspect, refine, repeat. The system, called BRTR, works in 3 stages. First, it breaks spreadsheets into chunks: rows, columns, windows, even images. Then, it embeds everything into a searchable index. Second, an LLM acts as an agent. It calls tools like search rows or search images, looks at results, then asks again, smarter. Third, a planner decomposes complex tasks into smaller steps, like building a dependency graph. This is huge because now the model doesn't just answer, it reasons step by step. Now let's talk architecture. BRTR uses hybrid retrieval, dense embeddings plus lexical search fused together. They tested multiple embedding models and found NVIDIA NeMo Retriever 1B performs best for mixed tabular plus visual data. Then comes the planner executor design. Planner breaks task. Executors handle Excel, web, OCR, validation. This separation is key because complex workflows like finance pipelines require multiple tools working together, and everything is traceable, every tool call is logged. Now, pitfalls. First, context explosion. Images especially can blow up tokens. They solve this by pruning old image data. Second, smaller models struggle. Without strong reasoning ability, iterative search fails. Third, too many tool calls can waste tokens. Practical tip: use high recall retrieval plus limit iterations and choose models that can plan, not just generate. The results are honestly wild. On complex benchmarks, BRTR improves accuracy by up to 25 percentage points. On enterprise finance workflows, it reaches around 95% accuracy. Even more interesting, it maintains performance as spreadsheets scale to millions of cells, and GPT 5.2 shows the best balance of cost versus performance. Here's the subtle but powerful shift. Traditional RAG equals sign, retrieve, then answer. BRTR equals sign, retrieve, think, retrieve again, then answer. That loop changes everything. It allows cross-sheet reasoning, evidence accumulation, error correction, almost like giving the model working memory. And the planner prevents chaos by structuring long workflows into manageable steps. So here's the big question. If this works for spreadsheets, what happens when we apply it to all structured data? Databases, documents, entire enterprises. That's where this is heading next. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment which AI system you want to build next. Stay spark. See you in the next video.